Well, this is frustrating. This is clearly one of those prints that just doesn't want to print. This is the third attempt. It's just one of those ones that I'm going to have to print it at a different angle or whatever. It was doing pretty well. If we have a look, it only had a little bit more to go, and it's clearly knocked itself over, and then the final little bits just failed. Oh, that is frustrating. We have a successful print this time. I used the brim to make sure it's stuck to the bed. Very rare that I use brim. But that seems to have worked. Just need to clean it up. I also, as you can see, put it at an angle as well, so we had 2 points of contact to help hold it down. Yeah, I could just explain. I printed, this is the lens cap for the GoPro HERO 7 Black. And I printed it. It's a very good tight fit, so tight that I was having trouble getting it off again. So I've modified the version that I downloaded off of Thingiverse and put this lip around it so I can get my fingers behind it to pull it off. To show you what I mean, that's the one I printed off of Thingiverse, and it is a perfect fit. But if I push it on too hard, I struggled to get it back off again. So my idea with this one, which I'll need to clean up a little bit, I'll finish that later, but we'll just see if it'll fit as it is. There we go. But now I've got something to grip to pull it off. It does worry me that we might actually pull the whole lens assembly off, because that is a very tight fit. I think I'll work on that. Get the ridges off round the edges so it's not quite so tight. And it's only for when you've stuck it in your pocket or something and you don't want to get bits of fluff and dust on it. In fact, the main thing I find is I put my fingers on the lens when I'm trying to move it around. I could print it out of PLA, couldn't I? Sorry, I have printed it out of PLA. I could print it out of TPU. That might be a good idea. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll try printing one out of TPU. I'll put a link in the video description to that one, Thingiverse file. This time I've printed my lens protector from TPU, so we'll see if we can clear that up and see if it fits. I wouldn't normally do a print like this with TPU. Oh well, we'll see. Well, it certainly fits okay and comes off okay. I think I could have made the sides thicker because they're a little bit thin, especially on that bottom edge. It's not very happy there, it's a bit stringy. Can we see that? Yeah, there you go, a little bit stringy on the bottom. Oh, focus. Yeah, I might thicken that all up all around the outside edges. It'll do the job like it is, but yeah. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.